In this quick Viber tutorial, I'll show you how to change who can add you to groups so you can better control your privacy. Let's get started. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Now tap the More tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, select Settings, then tap on Privacy. Under the Privacy menu, tap Control who can add you to groups. Here, you'll see two options, Everyone and My Contacts. If you select Everyone, any Viber user can add you to a group. If you select My Contacts, only people saved in your contact list will be able to add you to group chats. Choose the option that best matches your privacy preferences, and the change will be saved automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to change who can add you to groups on Viber. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick Viber tips, privacy settings, and how-to tutorials.